All right, we took 3 trades today, guys, on the scalping system. Let's take a look at those trades real quick. First trade up on gold. This is a breaker pattern long at 98.9. Short-term trend is up. You can tell that by looking at the slope of that trigger line. We're going to break above the red line here. Remember, guys, all the red lines are automatically located for me on my charts. The blue lines are also located for me automatically. We break above that swing high for our breaker pattern long at 9 o'clock on the gold. 98.9 was the fill. Again, breaker pattern long, trend and continuation pattern. Now, guys, in this case, it was relatively slow. We had less than 6 ticks on this trade. We had 5 ticks exactly, so it was a little bit of an aggressive entry, which required an aggressive exit, right? Aggressive entries are okay, but you got to be prepared for an aggressive exit. If you follow me down bottom here, guys, you'll see what happened was once we got into the trade, right? Momentum then, of course, curls over and points back down. We flatten the point of entry for a scratch trade. So nothing in, nothing out. Actually, we did. We actually got 4 ticks there. Excuse me. Got 4 ticks. Got in at +1, as you can see here. And so we got a +4 on the trade at 902. Then moving forward, next up on crude, 40 minutes later, we have another breaker pattern long, right? All of which were the same patterns, guys, right? Short-term trend goes up. We break through overhead resistance. That red line is automatically located for me. Swing high is automatically located for me. And then we break above that swing high. Now, in this case, a little bit better of a bounce this time. 942 on crude, breaker pattern long. 28 was the fill. We got our +4 target. Lucky bounce, got +5. Move our stop up to entry +1. Before the price came tumbling back down, we locked up 12 ticks or 120 USD. Now, we had talked earlier this morning in the room today, guys, about why we tighten our stop so much. What a great example, right, of why we tighten our stop so much. Okay, now if we wouldn't have moved that stop up to our point of entry, what would have happened on this trade? We would have taken our +4 target, right? Then it would have come back down and stopped us out. So we would have ended up making +4 and then -6. Does that look better than +5, +1? Absolutely not. And guys, this is exactly why we tighten that stop up so closely, is because we're going to see markets whipping around like this these days in these sideways choppy markets, and we want to be able to take advantage of them, but we don't want to let a winner turn into a loser. So tighten up that stop, eliminate all that risk, and wait for the next one. All right? If it's going to chop around like that, get out of the trade and wait. No big deal. We took our money out early, and we're sitting on the sidelines right when the price action began to reverse against us. Let's keep moving. Next up and last trade of the morning here on gold. We had to wait some pretty long time here. Now, of course, my computer crashed at 10 o'clock. We had back-to-back trades on gold at 10 o'clock this morning, and then Geithner started speaking. So I really didn't get a chance to get the meat and potatoes out of the market this morning because I was dealing with charts. A bunch of our members did, though, so big congratulations to the members who took some serious money to the market today. A couple of our members had over 115 ticks today. Here on the breaker long, guys, on gold, another breaker long. Break above this red line here, just above 1103. We make our swing high. We break above that swing high. And as you guys can see, guys, patience always pays very well. 39 minutes past the hour. We're almost to noontime by this point. Breaker pattern long is a trend continuation pattern, so going with the trend. And of course, 3.9 is the fill. We took our +4 target, our +8 target, and then trailed our stop to lock in 3 more ticks. We use the discretionary approach, guys, right? We use the discretionary approach, which means we're watching for red pace of a tape, the MACD, and momentum, right? When all 3 of those line up, that tells me to get out of that trade. I did so. We made those 3 ticks instead of course, letting the 3 ticks be taken back from the market. And, of course, total them all up, guys. 2 off at 4, 1 off at 8, 1 off at 3. That's 19 ticks or 190 USD. Guys, it should be very easy to see at this point, guys, just how easy it is if you're taking just some consistently, right, conservative trading entries. You'll be able to get that 50, 60, 70 ticks per day. This could have easily been a 50, 60, 70 tick winner day because obviously those 2 trades that I missed, one of them you guys saw live in real time. I literally moved I was answering a question on the right side of my screen, and all of a sudden gold takes off the downside, and I missed it. So one of the downsides of being an educator, obviously, is sometimes you miss some trades. But if you were in the room this morning, guys, you took 5, 6, 7 trades this morning. So we had a great day. Challenging price action. The key was we knew what to expect ahead of time. And guys, we never deviate from our rules. Good job today to all the members. Let's prep for tomorrow. Now, of course, tomorrow's Wednesday. It's not March 1st. Tomorrow's March 24th, 2010. We got 8:30 durable goods orders, 10 o'clock new home sales, 10:30 crude oil inventories, and don't forget tomorrow, 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have members-only training. All those members out there, make sure you guys come out and join us for that. Let's recap for tomorrow. We're going to open up the live trade room tomorrow morning, guys, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope you guys can make it out for the webinar today at 5:30. on our blog. You can email sales@schooloftrade.com to get that link to register for today's webinar. And of course, don't forget, Tuesdays and Thursdays, we do free webinars in the room. We'll do another one on Thursday on Market Profile. If you want more information about the setups, our rules, our patterns, our routine, the markets we trade, the beginner's course is perfect for all new traders or for somebody who wants to get the most out of their free 3-week trial. My name is Joseph James. Hope the video helps. We've done a lot of hard work this week. We'll continue it tomorrow. See you guys then. Bye-bye for now.